In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve image quality with AI and Canva AI. Whether you're enhancing photos for a personal project or sprucing up your business visuals, these straightforward steps will help ensure your images look sharp and professional. Let's dive right in. Start by opening Canva. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll need to create one, but for those returning, simply log in. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it fantastic for anyone, regardless of graphic design experience, and accessing it is as simple as navigating to your web browser and entering the site. Next up, it's time to create a new design. On Canva's homepage, you'll find a Create a Design button usually located at the upper right-hand corner. Clicking this button will give you a variety of design templates to choose from, or alternatively, you can select custom dimensions if you have a specific size in mind. This flexibility is one of Canva's many strengths, allowing you to cater your images to suit specific platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or even print. Now, let's upload your photo or choose an image from your existing designs if you've already been working on something within Canva. On the left-hand panel, you'll notice an Uploads section where you can easily drag and drop your image files or click Upload Media to browse your computer. If you're using an existing image, simply click on it within your design space to select it. Once your image is uploaded and you have it in the design space, go ahead and select the image so that it is highlighted. You should then see an Edit button appear on the top toolbar. Clicking this opens up a variety of editing tools that Canva offers. With your editing tools now displayed, select the Adjust option. Here, you'll notice an Auto Adjust feature. This powerful AI-driven tool makes improvements to the lighting, contrast, and color balance automatically to give your image an instant upgrade in quality. However, depending on your preference, you might still want to tweak these settings manually. To do this, move the slider to adjust the intensity to your liking. This flexibility allows you to apply as much or as little correction as suits your image, providing you with creative control and the opportunity to fine-tune the effects until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're happy with the improved image quality, the final step is to click Share on the top right corner. You'll want to download your image, and for the best quality, opt for the PNG format. PNG maintains image detail better than formats like JPEG, especially if you're planning on using this image for a high-quality print or online portfolio. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've enhanced your image quality using AI tools in Canva. Keep practicing with different images to see just how versatile and powerful Canva can be. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you next time.